It's the battle of the gizmos, but this time, we're getting our hands dirty with the 5 kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. A little bit of a different video today. Instead of 1 review, we're doing 5. And this time, we've been scouring Amazon for 5 kitchen gadgets that you never knew you needed. Until now. First up is the 2-pack stainless steel corn stripper tool from Hobson. Now, if you're against eating corn directly from the cob, or if you've ever wondered who has the time to remove each kernel by hand, this little gizmo is a treat. The design is simple. It's like your standard carrot or potato peeler, but it has this wavy serrated blade designed to scoop up corn kernels and separate them from the cob. Position the peeler at the top of the cob like so, and then gently drag down with pressure until the kernels neatly slide off. That's so satisfying. Quick reminder, the blades are sharp. Just like any peeler, you should always keep your hands clear and peel away from your body. Second in line is this 9-hole herb leaf stripper from Luxiv. You say herb, I say herb. No, this isn't a vegan knuckle duster. This is a product for those of us who enjoy a sprinkle of parsley, basil, or rosemary with our food. Remove the silicone cover and you've got a sharp 2mm thick stainless steel blade. Great for fine chopping of your favorite herb. All the different sized holes are used for stock shredding the leaves of different sized herbs. With this one, you're going to have to be especially careful with your fingers, because everything is a blade. Next up, we have the stainless steel watermelon slicer from Yoshiko. Most people have no problems diving face first into a watermelon because, let's be honest, that's kind of the point. But every now and then, the situation calls for a little more class. This handy invention creates watermelon cubes with no mess and no fuss. Simply choose the size of cube you want, line it up with half a watermelon, and push gently. The silicone paddle on top works to push the newly cut cubes down the tray. Even better, this will work on all melon fruit, including cantaloupe and honeydew. Moving on, kitchen gadget number 4 is the Angry Mama microwave cleaner from Abnoic Store. Looking more like our wives after we leave the toilet seat up than a microwave cleaner, it's not exactly clear how it works at first glance. So, we consulted the manual for clues. Made out of hardened microwave and dishwasher-safe plastic, the first thing you'll want to do is pull off Angry Mama's hair by unscrewing her wig counterclockwise. Then you fill her body with water and a splash of vinegar. Set the microwave to 7 minutes on high and nuke Mama till she steams. If you've got a glass window on your microwave oven, you can watch her get angrier and angrier. Surprisingly, the vaporized vinegar makes removing stubborn cooked-on stains a whole lot easier. And finally, our last kitchen gadget is the boiled egg peeler from Neg. If you're somehow against peeling hard-boiled eggs and want to deny yourself the sweet satisfaction of a fresh peel, the Neg boiled egg peeler can make a mild annoyance into the best part of your day. Simply place your hard-boiled egg into the Neg, fill with a 1/4 cup of water, and snap the top lid on securely. Now, the instructions say to shake gently as to avoid a slushy, eggy mess. So after 4 gentle shakes, we should be ready. Open the top and drain the water. Now, the shell plus its membrane should slide off easily. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score each of today's 5 kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed? We were surprised by how much we enjoyed this tool. Although it does take a few minutes to get a feel for how much pressure is needed to cut as close to the cob as possible. The stainless steel corn cutter gets a 7 out of 10. If you're into the edible kind of herb, then this tool's for you. We've awarded the stainless steel herb stripper a 6 out of 10. The watermelon slicer works pretty well, especially during the first few layers of watermelon. We're giving it an 8 out of 10. We thought the Angry Mamas were a scam. We were so wrong. They really work. And how? 7 minutes in the microwave, use a little Scrub Daddy, and your microwave is as good as new. Angry Mama gets a Review to You rating of 9 out of 10. I mean, it worked most of the time, but is it really solving a problem we're all having with deshelling eggs? I don't think so. We're going to give the Neg Egg Sheller an acceptable score of 5 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on this haul of the 5 kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed? We've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase links that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick up the Neg Boiled Egg Peeler for $14.95, the Stainless Steel Corn Peeler for $12.99, the Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner for $8.99, the Stainless Steel Watermelon Slicer for $12.37, and finally, the Herb Stripper for $5.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing, where we'll be giving away all 5 of these gadgets to one lucky subscriber. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.